Hi guys, let's look at this question. So I'm trying to solve this question without options, and my advice will be the same because this question can be given as a fill in the blank questions as well. So the question says, three men P, Q, and R working together can do a piece of work in 30 days. Okay, they start the work together. P works for 3 days and takes rest on fourth day. Okay, Q works for 5 days and takes rest on the next 2 days. And R works for 7 days and takes rest on next 3 days. Okay. If P, Q, and R work with the same efficiency, in how many days will the work be completed? Now, this part makes my job pretty easy, in fact. So if we go ahead, I can look at this as P, Q, and R. Okay. I do not know individually, but I know that P plus Q plus R can complete the work in how many days? 30 days. And since they're working with the same efficiency, I would take 1, 1, and 1 as the efficiency. I repeat, N into R is my total work. So total efficiency of P plus Q plus R will be 3. And I'm defining my total work to be 90 units. So it's a very basic question on time and work. Okay. Now, if you observe, A works for 3 days and takes rest on 4th day. So can I say A completes 3 units in 4 days? Right. Now B works for 5 days and takes rest on 2 days. That means B completes 5 units in a span of 7 days. Okay, because last 2 days B is taking a break. Now, C, if you observe, works 7 units in a total span of 10 days. Okay, now what I would rather do is I was first trying to take a number called 20 days because I can see 4 and 10. I can see that there's an LCM of you can take it as 20 is what I had in my mind. So if I take 20 days, let's just take an example. Okay, if I take 20 days, then what would have happened? A would have worked for 5 such cycles, so 3 into 5, A would have completed 15 units, and C would have completed only 2 such cycles, 7 into 2, C would have completed 14, and B would have completed close to 3 cycles. So if you observe, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 5. So 5 into 3 is what B would have completed. But 21st day is also holiday. So we have to just be a little careful. So if you observe, 15 plus 15 is 30, 30 plus 14 is 44, right? So instead of 20, what I did is then we can take a double it completely. Let me assume what is happening in 40 days time. Now 40 days time, start calculating very clearly. 4 days is each cycle of A. So 40 days, A does 10 cycles. In each cycle, A completes 3 units. So in 10 cycles, A will complete 30 units. Let's talk about C. C again, 10 units, 7 units in each cycle of 10 days. So 7 into 4, 28 will be the work done by C. Now 40 days, if you observe, 7 6 is 42. To observe for B, okay? B's one cycle is 7 units, 7 days. So 7 into 6 is 42. But if you observe 42, the 41st day and 42nd day is nothing but the holiday for B. So can I say B completed 6 cycles of work? So please understand, 5 cycles of work is definitely being completed. That is 35. Then 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So this is my 40th day. So at the end of 40th day, B has completed 6 cycles of work. That means 6 into 5, which is going to be 30 units. So if you observe, by the end of 40 days, we are done with how many units? 88 units. Now, what is happening in 41st day? 41st day, A is definitely working. Clear? As we discussed, 41st day, B is on a holiday. And 41st day, C will definitely be working. Right? So 88 units are done. And on 41st day, 2 units will be done. So 88 plus 2, which means a total of 90 units will be completed in a span of how many days? 41 days. And that's why that becomes your answer. So very beautifully designed question where, you can just take the number of cycles, take a random number, and you can start understanding, how do we, come close to our total work. Our job is to reach 90 units in some other manner, right? So hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, guys. Thank you.